Hello, friends. Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to the balcony. If you're new here or you forgot who I was, I'm Candace and welcome to Balcony Bounty. I wanted to do my first garden update of 2025. I grow everything in containers on my balcony here in Zone 7 in the Washington, D.C. area. It's been pretty hot every day since probably the June 1st. Like I said, I'm filming this in mid-July, and each day it's been upper 80s, 90 degrees, and we've had um, either a little rain shower, or a full-on like thunder, lightning storm every day as well. And it's humid as was usual in this area for summer. But I wanted to give you guys an update. I got a little bit of a late start on the garden, and also I've been busy with other things in life, so I haven't been as attentive to it as I normally am. But we have some good things happening, so I just wanted to give you guys an update. So I'm gonna turn you all around and show you what's going on. All right, we're gonna start in my raised Keter garden bed. Um, Not sure how you pronounce it, but in here I have nasturtium. It's my first year growing nasturtium. I planted some onion seeds earlier. I think only about one or two were hanging on. I don't expect them to survive the rest of summer. I think this right here is a volunteer petunia. I think that's what it looks like. So I'm just letting that grow. Debating if I'm going to plant something else in this little section here. Next to it, we have some carrots that are actually ready to be pulled. I planted these, I want to say in April. So they should be ready. Let me show you. I pulled one a couple days ago and it was pretty big. Let's get here. You can see this one's like begging to be pulled. So let's see. And we have twins. She got her legs crossed. Let's do one more because there's another one poking out. Give you guys the best. Here we go. That's better. That's more like it. You can see the size. These are Corota. Actually, new Corota. I have these. All right. Next to it, we have beets that need to be harvested as well. I'll probably just do a separate video harvesting the beets and the carrots. You know, beets don't like all this heat, so they need to come out. I pulled one out so far. It was a pretty good size. So I'll probably pull those later. I'll do a separate video for that. There's other like things growing in here. Again, I haven't been as attentive. Then over here, we have our petunias. Beautiful, beautiful. These are all volunteer. I did not plant any petunias this year. These all just sprang up in these pots. I had a tomato and a petunia was planted in there with it last year in this pot. I don't think I had any petunias in this grow bag that these ones decided to spring up on. This is a bullnose pepper. I just planted that not too long ago. Like I said, I'm behind. This is supposed to be cucumbers. Oh, I think I see a seed germinating right there. Okay, I've had no luck this year with cucumbers. This is probably like the third attempt at me growing cucumbers. So happy to see that germinating. Hopefully it will survive. This is a zinnia, and I actually got these seeds free from Baker Creek. Thank you, Baker Creek. It's a queen lime red zinnia, so should be blooming pretty soon. Then over here, this is nothing. I'm getting ready to put something in there. I think another tomato. Then in my dollar store stackable here, And the sun just came out nice and bright. Dollar store stackable. I have 3 layers. More volunteer petunia. This is strawberry. I got this. It was like dying and dried up at Lidl last year, Lidl grocery store. And I've gotten little tiny strawberries off of it. And it's kind of like having a second life. So I think it may be, I'm not sure if it's June bearing or ever bearing. It wasn't labeled, but it's having a second life. So I think I'm going to get a few more strawberries if they don't dry up in the heat. Over here, I think this is a cosmos. You guys can tell me, does it look like cosmos? There are leaves. I know I threw some seeds in there one day and I do not remember what it was. Um, then next to that, I have I think this is the Berkeley tie-dye tomato. I just uppotted this maybe 2 weeks ago. So has a lot of growing. I think this is a volunteer petunia as well. Again, I didn't plant that. This is a new variety of tomatoes I'm starting with. I got these seeds free also from Baker Creek. Orange Hat. It's a determinate, like little container, um, like best in container small pot. Okay, this is the variety of tomato that's in this pot here. So you can see they're pretty small. So we'll see. And I have another one here that I haven't uppotted yet, along with several others. This is a black cherry, also from Baker Creek. This is, I think, another Berkeley tie-dye, and this is another one of those queen lime zinnias. Then I just have my little pollinator section here with the marigolds. These were dollar store seeds. Also dollar store seeds are these bachelor buttons that I need to trim. My first year growing bachelor buttons, they were beautiful, but I think the heat's just getting to them. Sorry, I record on my phone and I got a phone call that interrupted the video, but I was showing you the bachelor buttons. They're doing okay. They're beautiful though. I do need to kind of deadhead it. This was asparagus from, I think it's about 2 years old now, but I realized this pot is too small, too shallow for asparagus. You can see how scrawny they are. So I'm gonna take these out and maybe just put some flowers, maybe some more marigolds or something. I have some pansy starts that I haven't planted, so I may perhaps try to plant the pansies in there. And the sun has come out, like I mentioned, and it is extremely hot. I'm like profusely sweating after a few minutes. So, guys, thank you for watching this quick update video. Please come back for more. I'm definitely going to do a video harvesting the beets and the carrots, and I will give you updates along the way this summer. I hope everyone's enjoying their summer, if it's summer in your area, and stay cool. Bye.